hakabayadehi bat ka Raja Raghuvanshi kes na kaliang jogi pulit mentakasni kilawan ra yang yaka sunam Raghuvanshi haringkat saungut ki ba la suba ba ki ganti ban penyap ya u Raja Raghuvanshi hang teh hapokut hakaba hadin gajing wanra jengki hapokut kilayo yaka police custody nakabenta ka sunam bat uraj kuchwaha nakabenta arsni kat baya ki weipat kilayo yaka judicial custody na hakabaya dei bat kani ngilayo ban yakran bat u SP jongka East Khasi Hill ba Vivek Syiem bat ka ai ka udan ban ong subha ban yai ne bat ni hakani ka kubor
and others they were remanded for judicial custody. Sonom and this Raj Kushwaha given 2 days police custody, and others, that is Anand, Vishal and Akash, they were given 14 days judicial custody.
Sir, your name, please.
My name is T. Chanda and my colleague additional PP, she was there, Jyoti K. Mara, from the prosecution side. And from legal aid, Mr. Sudeep Rana and Prithvi Pradhan. No, that is for investigation.
I've just come to know that we've got 2 days of police custody. We asked 2 days police custody for Raj and Sonam, and we've got those 2 days police custody. We have sent the 3 other accused, Anand, Vicky, and Akash, to judicial custody. And as and when our team arrives or we get more developments from there, we will be taking custody for them later. But as of now, we have taken 2 days police custody for Sonam and Raj, and we've got that. Investigation is already in progress, and we've already taken 8 days of police custody. These 2 days we'll be taking because after the 2 days are over, then we'll do a lot of analysis also because, like I said, the team is out there in Indore, and we don't want to lose out because we will still have another 4 days with us after the 2 days of police custody. So we are taking piecemeal. Once we have done the 2 days, then we'll do analysis and investigation, and then again, if required, we will take police. Next production will be on Saturday. I can't say when they will come back, but they are doing a lot of work out there. See, they already done the questioning of Govind Raghuvanshi out there, Govind's mother, and today they have ascertained who the driver was who took Sonam to UP. This name, I don't know how it emanated, but Sanjay Verma is just a fictitious name which is actually registered in Truecaller. The number pertains to Raj himself, Raj Kushwaha himself. See, regarding those statistics, I'll not be able to tell you. I don't know where you got these statistics. Those are actually evidentiary. That's evidentiary material. But the tally of calls between Raj and Sonam is huge because we believe that second phone is probably with the jewelry and other items which Sonam has left behind. And we were hoping that when the team goes there, and the place was locked, so the items of Sonam would be there. But it appears that it has been shifted from there by somebody, and the team is out there to ascertain who has taken it and where all these items are. See, we've reached out to him and we've written to Instagram to give us details about. We've already reached out to him, but he has not answered back to us. But we've already taken up with Instagram to give us the details so that his statement can be recorded also. See, the passenger who has said that she met on the 7th, it does not add up because Sonam was still in Indore on the 7th. So who she saw out there, I don't know. So that becomes irrelevant because whether she really saw Sonam or not is cannot be taken as a fact because Sonam on the 8th was still in Indore. I'm wishing out there, but a lot of interrogation is going on. A lot of finding out about more facts into as we ask questions, as we dig into it, we get more facts and all that, and we get the complete picture. That is the whole purpose of actually asking for police custody.